So hello my students, welcome back in another amazing video. Mbaniza mu video ya feona olwalero, and today we are going to continue on with level 2 homophones. To know, remember I introduced homophones in level 1. Twalaba ku level 1 netulaba homophones chechi. So whenever you hear homophones, what should come into your mind? If you didn't watch that video, go to playlist 1 at benny2178 and you learn homophones at first. Okay, we are continuing on with level 2 homophones. But homophones, as I've told you, homophones means words, just a recap, words with similar sounds. Are we together? This is written as S-O-U-N-D-S. So homophones, these are words with similar sounds. What does this mean in Luganda? Homophones kitegeeza ebigambo ebina enjatula oba amaloboozi ng'obyatula nga gafaanagana naye mu kubiwandiika bya njawulo. Mu Luzungu tukiyita homophones. Okay? Oba video eyo tewagiraba, genda mu playlist 1 onoonye homophones at benny2178 on YouTube, such that you watch that video about homophones. Okay, so homophones, words with similar sounds but different meanings. Okay, so bizo kwa bifanaganya amaloboozi naye mu kubiwandiika bya njawulo. Okay, so let's dive into level 2 homophones for us to know. We have 2 and 2. Hope you can hear the sound as if it's the same. 2 and 2, the sound is similar. Amaloboozi ng'oyatula bino ebigambo gafaanagana naye mu kubiwandiika ne spelling ndowooza olaba. This has single O whereas this one has double O. Are we together? Kino kirina OM ate kino kirina O bbiri. Are we together? So what is the difference between these two? Remember, we are looking at level 2 homophones. So we are going to go step by step, word by word, such that you understand clearly. Okay, let me first clear the board and I explain this. But if you're new to this channel, welcome. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. One people in Luzungu, no Luganda, Mwangu, of course. I'm teacher Benny. Okay, enjoy as you learn. So let's start with this 2 and 2. So 2, this indicates direction, a place where you are going to. So this 2 with single O, it indicates direction. Are we together? Mu Luganda kitegeeza ki? Nti eno 2 eya TO etegeeza eraga kifo ky'obogenda. For example, nze ngenda ku ssomero. I also made a video on using 2. Cool. Are we together? So when you say, I'm going to school, or I want to go. Are we together? I want to go. Or this one indicates direction. Direction. Okay? So once you use this 2 when you're writing, it indicates a place where you are going to. Okay? This one indicates direction. Eraga ekifo ky'oba ogendako. 2. Whereas this 2 with double O can mean 2 things. This 2 with double O can mean 2 things. The first one, it can mean also, to get involved in something. Also. It can also mean excessive. Okay? Excessive. Ekintu nga kingi. Nga wengenda okubanyonnyola. Oba kiyinza okutegeeza nange njagala okubeera involved. Nange njagala okwetaba mu ekyo also. Let's first start with also. For example, when you say, I want to go to. Okay? I want to go to. So we are dealing with this 2, the first meaning of also. I want to go to. I want to go to, which means you want to be part of the action of going. Are we together? So you are also involved in going. So I want to go to. Nange njagala okugenda. So I want to go to, it means nange njagala kola ki okugenda yagala nawe kwetabani to also. So for excessive, ekintu nga kingi. For example, it is too much. It is too much. For example, the pain is too much. Obulumi bungi nnyo. Okay? Too. Ekintu nga kingi nnyo. Nnyo. Okay? Ichi kingi nnyo. The pain is too much. Excessive. Ekintu nga kingi nnyo. Too with double O. Whereas this too, it means direction. For example, I go to school. I go to school. Ngenda wa ku ssomero. Ngenda ku ssomero. Are we together? That is me. Are we together? Okay, that is that. Let's proceed. So we've seen these two and two. This one indicates direction, whereas this one indicates excessive or also. Ndowooza tukategedde ako. Okay, so let's see there, there, and there. These are what we call homophones. Ebigambo ebirina sound oba amaloboozi ng'obyatula nga gafaanagana naye mu kubiwandiika bya njawulo. Okay, homophones. Okay, let's start with there. There. So there, this one indicates there, this is possessive. Possessive. Twagamba possessive kitegeeza kiraga obwannannyini kintu. To possess something. There. For example, that is their car. That is their car. Eri emmotoka yaabwe. Eri emmotoka yaabwe. Okay? That is their car. Eri emmotoka yaabwe. Are we together? Good. So this one indicates possessive or possession. Possessiveness or possession. Are we together? So there. Whereas there. So this one indicates location. Location. Okay? There indicates location. Ekifo kiri. Ekifo kiri. There. For example, the book is over there. Okalaba. The book is over there. You show the place where something is. It indicates location, position of something. For example, the book is there. When I place this duster over there, I'm going to say the duster is over there. Are we together? So you use this there to indicate location or position of something. The book is over there. Ekitabo kiri wali. Ekitabo kiri wali. The book is over there. Okay? Whereas this there, the last one, there, this one, it's a short form of they are. Are we together? So once you meet this word, it indicates a short form of they are. Mu Luganda kitegeeza there kifunzibwa naye nga kiva mu kigambo they are. Okay? So there kifunzibwa kigambo nga wonaafunza ekigambo n'okijjamu there but kiva mu they are. Kino kye complete. Complete word is they are. But we formulate it out, we contract it to there. Okufuna they are. They are. Are we together? So this is just a contraction of they are. Kino kiva mu they are. Short form ya they are. Ndowooza tukategedde. Okay? For example, when you say they are coming. They are coming. They are coming. It means they are. They are doing what? They are coming. They are coming. Mu Luganda tugamba bo bajja. Bo bajja. They are coming. Bo bajja. Are we together? Good. Okay. Let's proceed. So, those are some of the level 2 homophonic words that we have. Bye ebigambo ebya homophones oba ebifaanaganya amaloboozi bye tulina. For part 2, we're going to look at more words, but for now, you can first learn that. Okay, let's meet up in part 2. Bye bye. Wheraba.